Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Hall here again. You probably just finished watching the Max and Molly video where Molly was looking for her bracelet and bumped into Max and he fell down. It was an accident. She wasn't focusing her attention and didn't mean to knock him down, but she did the right thing by telling him that it was an accident and she didn't mean to, and then saying sorry. Well, today on our story card, we're going to learn about another accident. This is Adam and Miles, and they're on the playground riding bikes. Adam is wearing the yellow helmet, and Miles is in front with the red helmet on. Adam isn't watching where he's going. Adam's bike runs into Miles's bike, and it runs off the path. This is an accident. You see they bumped right here in the back, and you can see Miles looking at him. Like, hey, you bumped me. Miles doesn't know it's an accident because he couldn't see him. How do you think Miles is feeling? Well, look at his face. You're right. He is feeling surprised because he just got bumped. He might be a little mad. Yep, and feeling a little sad if he thinks that Adam did it on purpose. How do you think Adam is feeling? Yeah, he is looking a little sorry or sad, but he also might be feeling a little surprised because he didn't mean to do it. He was riding on the same path as him and he was going too fast. So did he mean to knock Miles off the path? Probably not. So pretend you're Adam. What could you say to Miles? Yeah, you could say it was an accident. I didn't mean to run into your bike. Are you okay? You always have to let the person know you didn't mean to do it. And then that way they won't feel so mad. So it was an accident. And accidents aren't done on purpose. Adam did not mean to run into Miles's bike. When accidents happen, it's important to say, it was an accident. I didn't mean for that to happen. Are you okay? Let's practice saying that. Say, it was an accident. I didn't mean to bump you. Are you okay? Good job. Now you can play around in the Bitmoji classroom because there's a Daniel Tiger song in there that you can listen to about saying sorry. There's also boom cards to try, as well as a story about saying sorry. It was an accident. See you guys next week.